Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Dr. Kaplan here with Kaplan Chiropractic Center. Today, continuing our topic on breathing, we're going to give you another tool, another trick, another tip on how to breathe better at home, how to relax your body so that in conjunction with good lifestyle choices, in conjunction with chiropractic, you can heal better and be the best version of yourself. Today, we're talking about something called box breathing, also been around for a long period of time, and it's a breathing technique used to tranquilize and relax the body and prepare yourself, for life. This has been picked up in recent times by the Navy SEALs, so there's books on this. I believe his name is Mark Devine, who talks a lot about box breathing as well. I use this technique always, especially the day before an event where it's going to require a lot of effort and a lot of focus, because I want to be able to calm my mind and make sure that I don't have a lot of thoughts running around so that I can focus. Box breathing is very simplistic. Essentially, you're going to picture a box in your head. Each side of the box is going to be 4 or 5 seconds, depending on how comfortable you are with that, and it's going to be very simplistic. A deep breath in through your nose for a count of 5. You then hold it in your chest for another count of 5, which will be the top side of the box. Then an exhale through your mouth rather aggressively for 5 seconds out. And then lastly, a deep hold for the last 5 seconds. So to repeat, it'll be 5 seconds in through your nose, a 5-second hold, 5 seconds out through your mouth, and then another 5-second hold, and you keep repeating this cycle. You can do this for as many reps as you feel comfortable. Typically, a minute or 2 minutes usually should suffice, though some people with practice can kind of take this for a long period of time. You should notice a sense of relaxation, entering almost a meditative state, a way to calm your mind, a way to relax your body so that before you enter the world and before you need to take care of some business, your brain should be relaxed. There are also ways to do this if you are in the heat of battle, if you are going into a meeting, if you are very stressed out. We'll talk about that later, but start with box breathing, Google it, send us a message if you have any questions. It's a really good way to relax your body and prepare yourself for life, which is why we're here. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.